My dear, we are learning today molarity. It is also a method of concentration of solution. That means it gives the amount of solvent or solute in a solution. How can we determine molarity? The question is first, what is molarity? Molarity means number of moles of solute. It is solute, it is solvent, and it is solution. What I say? I say number of moles. How many number of moles? How many number of moles in 1 liter of solution? How many number of moles in 1 liter of solution? 1 liter means 1000 ml. Today we have 1000 rupees. In 1000 rupees, in 1000 ml, how many number of moles? It is my question. I have a simple question. I have a bottle of Pepsi which is of 2000 ml. I have a bottle of Pepsi which is of 2000 ml. 2000 ml. I have a bottle of Pepsi which is 2000 ml. 2000 ml. And in this solution there is 4 mole of sugar. 4 mole of sugar. Do you know what is molarity of this bottle? Yes, sir. For 1000, for 2000 ml, we have 4 ml. So for 1000 ml, we have 2 ml. So 2 molarity of this solution is 2. What's easy? Very easy. I say the number of moles of solute presenting 1 liter of solution is called its molarity. Here we can write it mathematically. Molarity means volume of solution in liter, volume of solution in liter, number of moles of solute. This line is written mathematically as this. Do you know? If we take volume of solution not in liter, in milliliter, then we have to multiply it with 1000. Volume of solution in liter, no. Volume of solution in milliliter, then we have to multiply with 1000. We know number of moles means what? Number of moles means weight by molecular weight. Weight by molecular weight. Here I write number of moles of solute means weight by molecular weight. Weight of solute by molecular weight of solute. I into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliter. We know how can we write weight of solute? weight of solute is written by W2. It is denoted by 2, W2, and molecular weight of solute is written in M2. W2 by M into 1000 by V in ml. What's it? It is formula. These are formula of molarity. Here I have a question. 2 moles of sugar are present in 4 liter of a solution. The volume is 4 liter and number of moles of sugar is 2 moles. How can we calculate? We have a formula. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution liter. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution liter. Number of moles is 2 and volume of solution in liter is 4. That means 1 by 2n. That means 0.5n. How easy? Write down just now. Write down. My another question is 2 moles of sugar are present in 400 ml of a solution. Find molarity of the solution. We have to search in which formula there is milliliter and there is number of moles. In this formula there is liter and number of moles. In this formula there is milliliter and number of moles. Yes, this formula can be used. Yes, then we use number of moles of solute by volume of solution in milliliter into 1000. Number of moles of solute is 2 and volume of solution is 400. We can calculate it. Then 2 5 the 5m. We can calculate easily. Is it hard? No, it is easy. My next question is 5 gram of NaOH is present in 450 centimeter cube of a solution. Find molarity of the solution. How can? First of all, we have to take 5 gram of NaOH. Where can we write NaOH? Here or here? No sir, here. Here is NaOH. It is solute. How much? It is 5 gram. It is 5 gram. Yes. And where is solution? Solution is here. How much solution? Solution is 450 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube or ml is same thing. 450 ml or 450 centimeter cube. Both are same thing. Now we have to search which formula can be applied. Which formula can be applied. In which formula there is gram and which formula there is ml. In which formula there is both gram and ml. Here is moles. Here is moles. Here is gram. Weight of solute here is gram and here is ml also. Thus this formula can be applied. How much? How can we apply it? Then W2 by M2 into 1000 by V. W2. Yes, we have noted. W2 means 5 gram. Yes. And M2. How can we obtain M2? M2 it can be calculated. Yes. Atomic weight of sodium is 23. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. And atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. That is 14. Yes. Here is 14. M2 is 40. And 1000. V is what? V is 450. Then what is problem? Thus there is no problem. We can calculate. Yes. 1000 by 8 into 450. The answer will be calculated. Answer will be 0.278 m. Yes, it is our answer. Yes, it is our answer. 0.278 and m. This answer is noted in m. Yes, we can calculate very easily. we have to see some magic. Do you want to see a magic? Yes, sir. I have a bottle which mithas. M means mithas, that means sweetness. Mithas is 2 and its volume is 5 liter. Its volume is 5 liter. It is one bottle and another one bottle of syrup, sarbat or solution, and another bottle of syrup, sarbat. Its mithas, its sweetness is 3 and its volume is 10 liter. When both are added in one bottle, what be its volume and what be its mithas, its sweetness? How can we calculate? We can calculate it easily. We take its mithas and its volume, and then take its mithas and its volume. Then both are added, then we can calculate mithas and its volume. But here is a trick. Volume, here is volume 5, here is volume 5 and here is volume 10. So what will be volume? 10 plus 5, that means 15 liter. 10 plus 5. It is V1 plus V2. The M1 V1, M1 is 2, V1 is 5, M2 3. Thus we can calculate. Is it easy? We take another magic. I have a syrup which volume is V1 and its mithas, its sweetness is 10 m. A naughty boy added some water in it. That means 20 milliliter water added in it. Then what will be mithas of in this situation? What will be mithas? Sweetness. It is very simple. We have to do nothing. Only M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. But simply M1 V1 and M2 V2. V2 is this V1 and plus V. V1 plus V. Is it okay? Then M1 is 10, V1 is 10 and M2 is M2 and V2. V1 plus V. V1 plus V1 is 10, V is 20. 10 plus 20. Thus we can calculate M2. It is very easy. Now I have to ask today 5 questions. Here is 5 questions and you can score. When for one question you have 1 score. When you score 500 scores, then you will be green grade. When 1000 score, you will be bluebird. 2000 score, black commando, or for 5000 score, red rose. Then we will meet in next episode. Then thank you. Best of luck.